Good morning, my dear kids. Hope you all are doing well. So, my dear children, in the last video, we did back exercise of lesson number 2, that is, always be polite. And now, in today's video, we will be moving forward with chapter number 3 of our value education books, which is making friends. So, all of you, please open up page number 11 of your value education books. So, children, now be ready with your pencils and please put on today's day on the top left corner of the page. Now, after writing the day, please put on today's date on the top right corner of the page. Okay, children, so let's begin with the chapter. Now, please keep your pencil on the word which I am reading. Okay, children, and you all have to read along with ma'am. So, name of the lesson is Making Friends. Make lots of friends. They make you happy. Is it true, children? Do our friends make us happy? Yes, friends are the ones which are the source of our happiness. See, children, whenever we are in need of something in school, who help us out in that situation? Our friends? Yes. So by sharing and by caring, you can make lots and lots of friends. And this is what we are going to read in this chapter today. So all of us should share our things with our friends and we all should care for our friends. Okay, this is the key of making good friends. Now, please let's read the question. Your new neighbor comes to your house with his mother. You have never met him before. How will you behave with him? Okay, children. So now a situation is given to you all that your new neighbor comes to your house. Okay, like your one of your new neighbor has come to your house with his mother, and you have never met him before. So now, how are you going to behave with him? There are two options given. Will you share your things with him and be his friend? Will you share your things with him? When some stranger person comes at home of our age only, what we do? We should do we share our things with him and be his friend, or will you don't allow him to use your things and be rude to him? Will you do that? Will you not allow him to use your things and will you be rude to him? How can you make him your friend? By doing the first one or by doing the second one? Yes, my dear kids, when you will share your things with him, you will become his friend. So, as I told you, that sharing things and caring for your friends makes good friends. Okay, children? So, now let's begin with the story. So, read this story to know how a pet dog makes friends with a new puppy who comes to the house. Now, This is a story about a pet dog. Okay, and this pet dogs make friend with a new puppy who comes to the house. Okay, so now let's read how they become friends. The name of the lesson is Bruno's New Friend. So please now keep your pencil on the first word. Bruno was Knuckles' pet dog. It had a dish for water. It had a dish for food. It also had a colorful ball to play with. Bruno loved all its things. So, children, now Nakul has a pet dog whose name is Bruno. Now, like we have dishes in which we have our food, just like that, people who keep pet dog, they keep dishes for them. Okay, so Bruno also had dish for water. Okay, what is the meaning of dish? That means bartan. Okay, he also had dish for water, and he had a dish for food as well, and he also had a colorful ball to play with. Understand, children? As you can see in the picture, a dish has been kept on which food is written. So that kind of dishes, people who keep pet dogs, they keep that kind of dishes for the dogs. So Bruno had a dish for water, he had a dish for food, and he had a colorful ball also. Okay, and Bruno loved all its things. Okay, children. One day, Nakul got a little puppy home. He named it Snooker. Bruno was unhappy. It didn't need a new friend. Now, what happens? Nakul brings a small puppy at his home, and he named that puppy as Snooker. Now, Bruno becomes sad. He becomes unhappy because he didn't wanted any new friend. Okay, he wanted that no new friend should come to the house. Okay, so that he can get all the love. Nakul put Snooker down. It went near Bruno's dish and sniffed. Bruno growled at Snooker. Now, what happens when Nakul brings Snooker home? He puts Snooker down. Snooker को नीचे रख देता है. Then what happens? Snooker goes near Bruno's dish. Okay, Snooker Bruno की dish के पास जाता है and starts sniffing. What is the meaning of sniffing? Have you ever seen dogs smelling things? Yes. So they how do they smell things? Have you ever seen them? So when dogs smell things, that is called as sniffing. So when Bruno sees that Snooker is sniffing around his dish, he starts growling with anger. Okay, so Bruno starts growling at Snooker, the way dogs show their anger. Okay, Snooker was thirsty. It went to the other dish and licked some water. Bruno growled at it again. Snooker sat in a corner quietly. Now what happens? Now Snooker was very thirsty. What is the meaning of thirsty? When we feel like we need to drink water. जब हमें प्यास लगी होती है ना, that is being thirsty. Now what happens that Snooker was thirsty and he went to the other dish of Bruno in which water was there and he started licking some water. Okay, and then seeing him licking water, Bruno starts growling again. Okay, like you can see in the picture. Snooker, he was a small puppy, so he sat quietly in a corner. After some time, Snooker started playing with Bruno's colorful ball. Bruno growled at it once again. Snooker started crying. It was very scared of Bruno and was shivering. Now, Snooker was a small puppy, okay, and then he saw Bruno's ball, colorful ball, and he started playing with it. When Bruno saw Snooker playing with his ball, he got very angry and then he growled at it once again. Okay, he showed his anger at Snooker once again. Then what happens? Snooker starts crying. Snooker रोने लग जाता है and he become very scared. बहुत डर जाता है वो ब्रूनो से and he starts shivering. What is the meaning of shivering? Shivering means डर से कांपना. Understand? Bruno felt very bad. It went and touched Snooker. It was very soft. Bruno licked its ear and face. The little puppy stopped crying. It was happy now. Now when Snooker started crying and when he got scared, then Bruno felt very bad. Okay, उसे बहुत बुरा लगा. And he went and touched Snooker. Okay, and when he touched Snooker, he felt that he was very soft. Then Bruno started licking its ears and face. You know, when dogs love someone, when they like someone or something, they start licking it. Okay, so Bruno started licking Snooker's ear and face. The little puppy stopped crying, and when Bruno licked his ear and face, Snooker stopped crying and he became happy. Bruno decided to be Snooker's friend. It allowed Snooker to play with the ball. Bruno also let Snooker eat food and drink water from its dishes. Now, when Bruno licked Snooker's ear and face, he also stopped crying and he became happy. And Bruno then decided to be Snooker's friend. Then what happens? And Bruno also allowed Snooker to share all his things, like he allowed him to play with his ball. He also let him eat into his dishes, okay, and he also let him drink water from his dishes. So see children, how caring and sharing helps you making the friends. At night, Bruno went to sleep. Snooker went and slept on Bruno. It had a new friend. Bruno also had a new friend. As you can see in the picture, that Bruno is sleeping and Snooker is sleeping above him. Okay, he's sleeping on Bruno. Because and he was very happy because he made a new friend, and Bruno also got a new friend. Okay, so children, we should make lots and lots of friends. Okay, how can we make friends? By being polite with others. Okay, by sharing our things. We must share our things with someone who is in need, and that will help you to make friends. So, this is all about today's story. I hope you all like the video. So, children, please read the lesson again at the home. Till then, stay safe, stay home.